Hey Cartman community, it's Benita back with another exciting tutorial. Today we're focusing on how to turn brand new visitors into loyal repeat customers using a first order discount in WooCommerce. If you're ready to make that first purchase easier for your customers and more profitable for you, keep watching. Discounts can be a game changer and here's the reason. First, increase conversions because new visitors are more likely to buy if they get a discount. Next, attract quality leads. By offering an incentive, you attract people who are genuinely interested in your products. Number three, build loyalty. A great first experience can lead to repeat purchases and happy customers who spread the word about your brand. Now, let's set up your first order discount. It's super easy, and here's how you can do it with a plugin that I went through, which is Discount Rules Pro. I have already activated and installed it on my site. So let's just go ahead to WooCommerce, click on Discount Rules, and this is the dashboard of the Discount Rules Pro plugin, with which you'll be able to create different types of discount types. Now let's click on this Add New Rule button, and here comes the rule title. So let's just enter a rule title for this particular rule that we're trying to create, which is the first order discount. So let me just call this a first order discount, 30% off on all products in our store. It's a store-wide discount which applies to customers, the first time users. All right, so let's just go ahead to the discount type and choose a discount type that you would like to offer. I'm just going to go for a cart adjustment discount type. And then here comes the filter where you can choose the eligible products for this discount type. I'm just going to set it to all products. As we said, this is a store-wide discount. Then comes the discount section where you can enter the discount type, the value, and the label for it. Since this cart adjustment discounts work like that of a WooCommerce coupon, this will be displayed as a label in the cart. So you can just enter a label that suits the discount that you're setting. I'm just going to go for a percentage discount of 30 and set the discount label to 30% off. That is it. Now to set this discount only to first time users. This is where the conversion happens. So let's just click on this add condition, and from the drop down below choose first order. Yes. All right. So this will automatically check when customers enter the email at the checkout. The system checks for orders against that particular email, and if no order is present previously, then this particular discount gets applied. Well, you can in fact make this discount interesting by making customers enter a coupon code, and if that's the case, you can enter a coupon condition here. I'm just going to settle for this condition as of now, and then save and close the discount rule. Now to test it, I'm just going to need an incognito window because I already have a session going on. So to establish a fresh session, make sure you use an incognito window. Now let's go to the shop page and try purchasing as the guest user. Let's say I purchased these items, right? I'm going to the cart next to the checkout. Well, this is a customer trying to purchase. Now let's enter a email address here. Now you can see that the checkout page is refreshed, and you can notice the 30% off is applied to this particular order. Right? Discount first order discount is applied to this particular cart because this customer named Joe doesn't have any other purchases, and this is his first purchase. A welcome offer can help you create a positive first impression. So you can also choose to display it on your site using discount banners that is provided by this plugin itself. This is for you to help alert your new visitors about the first order discounts. You can also send email campaigns as soon as someone subscribes to your newsletter or creates an account, just to make them feel special with a personal note. Plus, you can leverage social media. Announce the offer on your platforms to spread the word. And that's how you create a WooCommerce first order discount to convert new visitors and boost your sales. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more e-commerce tips coming your way. Until next time, happy selling!